by the end of this short video, you'll be able to like generate videos
My
like this,
podiatrist just asked me if
like
my feet
this.
see the thing.
You can even generate Disney style UGC videos.
Stabbing heel, the morning hobble,
with
plantar
subtitles you can see with
Let me show you why it
product
works.
So I prepared this two pre-workout images here just to quickly break it down so you understand like both ways to generate UGC videos. Basically for this flow, I first generated this image. And all I wrote here was like gym bro in a bedroom, Instagram influencer holding pre-workout and talking to camera. So for the next step, I plugged this. Let me show you. I plugged this image here. I have this script here that I generated with Claude, and that's the first.
I don't know what they put in this thing. One scoop, and I was pacing my apartment talking.
Then I extracted the last frame. Then I generated again from this last frame. With this way, basically you can generate like one continuous video as long as you want, and all it needs to do is like stitch video, get the video 1, get the video 2. Like if you have like more videos, even if it's gonna be like 10 more videos as you need, that's it. You're gonna stitch those, and yeah, you're gonna have like basically one continuous video. For the second way, it's kind of a bit different. In this case, like I had created for the 3 scenes: guy at home, guy in the park, and guy at the gym. And all I did, like, generate this first image. Then I added the second image, plug this here, plug this here. Gym bro in park, Instagram influencer holding pre-workout and talking to camera. And it's basically using this image and this image combined. Just copy pasted this guy in the park. Yeah, I mean, it's just a simple example. You can like make it as complex as you want, but I mean, yeah, you get the idea. It's like really easy. Plug those into video models, generate the videos, generate, and you're gonna have like video like this.
Bro, I don't know what they put in this thing. One scoop, and I was pacing my apartment, going heavier than planned. Cow, link in bio. You've been warned.
Nice. Now you get the idea. Like that's basically only 2 ways you can ever generate the AI videos. So now let's do the new one. Just for the demonstration, I'll be doing the second way, I guess, because this first way is so easy. Like you just generate image, as I said, generate video, extract last frame out of video, and generate image again. That's it. That's basically all you need. Let's upload this. Let's generate the image. Let's do UGC girl. Let's do in gym holding pre-workout Instagram influencer. Okay. So basically what I want to do right now is like quickly generate storyboard first. So before we continue, what I want to do is like quickly generate the script. Like, I mean, of course it's just an example. You need to, for the actual ad, you need to be like writing much more personalized for you, like for your audience, whatever. But for an example of how AI UGC is made, it's gonna work. There we go. Okay, we got this image. As you see, product looks amazing. Like the image itself also looks really good. Generate other scenes as well. For this first thing, for the hook, it's gonna be like gym. For the second chunk, let's do it. Maybe it's also gonna be in a gym, but in a different area, maybe. And for the CTA, maybe at the park or like on the way home, like whatever. It doesn't matter. Like for this example, I guess. Let's copy this image just in case, so product stays consistent. So you see, like I plug this image here to like make sure that we have the consistent character. I also plug this again to make sure like we have the product in details. So yeah. Let's copy those. Let's connect this again. And let's write same girl, but white lens fitting on gym floor, yoga area, I guess, like whatever. Same girl, but walking in park, holding pre-workout. Oh shit, I forgot to write pre-workout here, but I hope it's gonna be smart enough to yeah, talking to camera. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So basically, in this case, I would honestly like to regenerate this picture because of this really weird text. This one is nice. But the thing is, like, she doesn't, camera is floating here, so we need to fix those. She is holding camera because I think she would be like walking and camera might be floating with it. So like selfie AI videos usually look way better than the tripod ones because these little shakes kind of give it like some of the like magic or like whatever. But yeah, it looks really good. Okay, this one looks good. Like compared to this one, like feels much more natural, I guess, or like whatever. Let's now generate the video. Grok is like the cheapest and kind of nice too. It's like most advanced in lip sync, I would say. Cling and C-Dance is also like they're much more better, to be honest. Like C-Dance is like best model you can do right now, but it's also kind of expensive as you see. It costs like 427, where so it's basically like 20 credits for 10 seconds here and $4, nearly $4 for 10 seconds. So yeah, even though C-Dance is much better, I mean, Grok is so good anyway. So yeah, let's use the Grok and let's set it up first before I do the generations. Let's copy paste this script saying. Also, like when generating videos with the Grok, it's really important to specify like whoever sounds because if you don't specify, she might even sound like I don't know, Indian. This one might sound American, and this one might sound like any different accent. So usually, what I found works really good is like UK accent and Australian accent. 1, 2, and this one. Click click generate. There we go. Okay, all three are generated. Let's check it out.
Okay, so I've tried like every pre-workout out there, and most of them just make me feel jittery and crash after an hour. This one actually hits different. Like within 15 minutes, I'm locked in. The pump is crazy, and I'm not bouncing off the walls. Just clean, focused energy the whole session.
Okay, not bad too. If you want, we can also specify like the camera stays still, like whatever, but I kind of liked it.
I've been using it for 3 weeks straight, and I
This
genuinely
one is...
look forward to the gym now.
That
Link
happens, so... Okay. She is going in park and talking about product at the same time. She is holding camera with one slash selfie. Okay, I mean, not bad. Like, there are some moments
Okay,
here.
so I've tried like actually hits different.
I didn't like this last part. So what I'm gonna do is in video make it more snappy, like remove this here.
Actually hits different.
Nice. Okay, frame.
Like within 15 minutes, I'm locked in. The pump is crazy.
She paused for us some time, so I didn't like that too. So in this case, it was in the middle. So I'm gonna use remove silence, make it all poses, and others can be like default ones. Let's also prepare the stitch video. Okay.
Within 15 minutes, I'm locked in. The pump is crazy, and I'm not bouncing off the walls. Just clean, focused energy the whole session.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Now this one.
I've been using it for 3 weeks straight, and I genuinely look forward to the gym now. Links in the bio. First one's on sale right now.
Okay, not bad. Actually love it. So we don't need any transitions in between them. Let's run it. The good thing about it is like if you like don't like any part of it in this final video, you can also like edit it here, click it again, and there you're gonna have like any part edited, even if it's gonna be in the middle or like whatever. Let's also add subtitles. Why not? I usually do karaoke style. Let's increase font a bit. Yellow, position bottom, margin, maybe like somewhere here. 300. Let's do 350. X can be same. Okay. So we have this final 28 second
every pre-workout out there, and most of them just make me feel jittery and crash after an hour. This one actually hits different. Like within 15 minutes, I'm locked in. The pump is crazy and I'm not bouncing off the walls. Just clean, focused energy the whole session. I've been using it for 3 weeks straight and I genuinely look forward to the gym now.
Okay, I actually love it. Like, can be some minor improvements, like make the cuts more precise or like whatever, but overall, I love it. Like, I really love it. Let's add subtitles. And then I have this random music here. I can plug it in here once it generates. Make sure like audio level is like somewhere here. You can even preview it if you want. So wait, let's check it out.
Okay, so I've tried like every pre-workout out there and
Yeah, it's nice. Let's also make sure it fits in the safe zone. Yep. Let's add the music now. It's really bad music. Like really random music, but it's gonna, for an example, it's okay, I guess. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so I've tried like every pre-workout out there and most of them just make me feel jittery and crash after an hour. This one actually hits different. Like within 15 minutes,
Okay,
I'm
not
locked
bad.
in. The pump is crazy and I'm not bouncing off the walls. Just clean, focused energy.
Genuinely this easy. There's nothing else you need to do. Just upload it, print the money with the meta ads. So yeah, if I missed something or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be uploading more tutorials like this in the future. So make sure to subscribe too. And yeah, hope it was useful. Bye bye.